Morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed news for Friday, June 27th. Kind of a mixed trade, a little bit weaker in the overnight session. We've got the wheat market down around 4 cents to unchanged, the corn market down 2 cents. The bean market's kind of unchanged in the nearby, down 5 in the new. Got the meal market up $1 in the front end, down $1 in the back end. We got the soybean oil market down around 15 points. It's kind of a mixed trade for the week. We're down roughly around 10 cents in the corn and in the wheat. We are up in the neighborhood of 20 cents in old crop beans, 10 cents in new crop beans. We're up around $8 in old crop meal, down $3 in the new, and we're up around 25 to 75 points in the soybean oil. So you can see either in the overnight trade and or for the week, we're kind of mixed, both in flat price and in spreads. And what we're really doing in here is we're working our way to two important items. Number one, we're going to have first notice day come at us on Monday. That's being the liquidation of the July contracts. We are currently sitting with 6 contracts open of wheat, so the deliveries are expected to be light there. We had 150 beans sitting out there. Now they're down to 21. They got canceled overnight. We got around 190 wheat that's registered for delivery. We don't have any meal, and now we're underneath 10,000 soybean oil. So in general, the trade's looking for light deliveries across the board, and as a result of the first notice day approaching, we've been seeing a lot of open interest decline, so we've been still contracting the market. We've also been contracting the market because the second item will be the important USDA report on Monday morning. We're going to be getting our quarterly stocks number and our updated acreage number for corn, wheat, and soybeans. And as a result, it's a very important report, and thus the trade is also, once again, kind of moving towards the sidelines in conjunction with the fact that at this point in time, with the way we have our crop conditions and our weather being conducive, there's no real brewing story as far as trying to get long the market again at this juncture. We're going to have a Canadian acreage number coming out later on this morning. We're going to have a hogs and pigs report coming out after the close. And then we're also going to have a commitment of trade's report coming out after the close, at which at this time we still view the trade being the speculator net short the wheat market and the soybean oil market, while still net long the corn, beans, and soybean meal. So to wrap it up, if we still have a trade that's net long, if we have liquidated the marketplace as far as positions go, if we find out that the USDA report is non-bullish in conjunction with the way our crops are standing right now in the good excellent category, our ideas are that where we're at price-wise, it'll still be a non-bullish environment with the susceptibility of finding further liquidation and or maybe shorts starting to add to their positions in other markets as we move our way forward. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.
That's his favorite place. She was at the football game last night. 25 and a quarter. UVA.